Happy and free kid space, scrap gardening adventure.
Knock, knock. Honeydew. Honey, do you want to hear some gardening jokes? Hi, everyone. My name is Jennifer Price Davis, and I'm here in my outdoor space inviting you to join me on a scrap gardening adventure. Do you know what scrap gardening is? Yeah, like scrap gardening is when you take something that's already grown, like lettuce or potatoes, and you use parts of it to grow more lettuce, potatoes, and other things. We might play with some seeds too, but mostly we're going to do scrap gardening. So, if you want to come along, you might want to get a binder so you can put paper in it, or if you have a notebook, that works just as well, a pencil, and then something to color your pictures with, to color what you're growing. I have some friends who are doing some scrap gardening and even some gardening from seeds, and I want to show you their cool gardens, and I'll show you my cool garden too. My cool garden is very tiny, and you're gonna see gardens can look a lot of different things. So let's look at people's gardens. This is my tiny garden. I'm growing broccoli, some lavender, some strawberries. Let's get close and you'll see that some of these strawberries are starting to grow flowers. And I'm growing an onion from scraps. This used to be an onion I got from the grocery store, and I cut it and planted the roots. I'll tell you more about that one later. Now, let's look at my other friends who are growing gardens in their homes, on balconies, and outside, in all sorts of cool ways. My friend Jen is growing chives in egg cartons. My friend Meryl is growing flowers and other herbs and stuff right on her balcony. And look at these tomatoes my friend Bridgett's growing. They're amazing. Friends, I'm back in my house and I'm ready to get started with my day. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little garden and my friends' gardens and all the beautiful things they're growing. And I hope you're ready to get started on our scrap gardening adventure. Next time, I'm going to show you how to grow potatoes from these eyes. Well, I'm going to learn how with you. And we're going to draw a picture of our potato, how it started, and we'll follow along and see what happens. So I cannot wait to draw and grow things and see what happens with you. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.